Hello all, we are back with another question from inverse trigonometric functions, and the question is that we are given with an expression tan inverse of 7 pi upon 6, and we have to find the principal value of the given expression. Now moving forward, we know that we have a formula that looks like tan inverse of tan x is equal to x, and the range of this function, I mean tan inverse, is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So whatever we have our argument as tan inverse of 10x, this x should lie between minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Otherwise we cannot apply this formula. As we see, tan 7 pi upon 6 does not lie in minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So we have to somehow transform 7 pi by 6 such that it lies in this interval, the given interval of tan inverse. So what we do? We apply an identity, that is tan of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus tan x. You can see this from graph as well. I think I need not to draw the graph, still I'll draw it. Let me draw the graph. The graph of 10x looks something like this. So you can see that tan of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus 10x. This applying the same thing, we get our expression as the simplified version of the original. We get tan of 2 pi minus 5 pi upon 6 as minus tan 5 pi upon 6. Moving to the next slide. Now we can write minus tan x as tan of pi minus x. Let me write it for you. It's not written here. Tan of pi minus x is equal to minus of tan x. We are applying the same identity. In the previous slide, we saw that we are getting something as minus of tan 5 pi by 6. So we write it as tan of pi minus pi by 6. Simplifying the above expression, we get our answer as tan inverse of tan pi by 6. Now we check whether pi by 6 lies in the range of tan inverse. I mean pi by 6 lies in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. We see that, just wait a sec, let me remove the highlighter. Okay. We see that pi by 6 lies in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now we can directly apply a formula, that is tan inverse of tan x is equal to x, and we get our final answer as pi upon 6. So that's it.